Dropshipping 101, your roadmap to e-commerce success. Welcome to Business with Joe, where we're about to embark on an exciting e-commerce journey. Today, we're diving into the world of dropshipping, a fantastic way to start your online business with minimal upfront investment. If you're eager to learn how to get started with dropshipping, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know, from finding products to promote to earning your share of the profits. Section 1. Understanding dropshipping. First, let's break it down. What is dropshipping? In the world of e-commerce, dropshipping is a business model where you don't hold any inventory. Instead, you partner with suppliers who stock the products and handle order fulfillment. Your role is to market and sell those products to customers. Section 2. Finding the perfect products to dropship. Now, the most crucial step is finding the right products to dropship. Here's how you can do it. Niche selection. Choose a niche that interests you and has a market demand. This makes it easier to connect with your target audience. Market research. Use tools like Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, and social media to identify trending and popular products. Competitor analysis. Study your competitors and understand what products are working for them. Supplier research. Find reliable suppliers on platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, or SaleWho. Make sure they offer quality products and reliable shipping. Section 3. Setting up your online store. Once you've chosen your products, it's time to set up your online store. You can use platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. Customize your store, add product listings, and ensure that it's user-friendly and visually appealing. Section 4. Promoting your dropshipping business. To be successful, you need to get the word out about your products. Here are some promotion strategies. Content marketing. Write blog posts, create product reviews, and share valuable content to attract organic traffic. Social media marketing. Leverage platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to showcase your products. Email marketing. Build an email list and send out newsletters and promotions. Paid advertising. Consider running paid ads on Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or Instagram to reach a broader audience. Section 5. Earning profits and order fulfillment. Host discusses how to earn money through dropshipping. Now, the exciting part. When customers place orders, the suppliers will handle the shipping and order fulfillment. You earn your profit by marking up the product price, which is the difference between the supplier's price and your selling price. Conclusion. Congratulations, you've just completed Dropshipping 101. Remember, dropshipping can be a lucrative business model, but it requires effort and dedication. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more e-commerce tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your dropshipping journey.